Hi guys! Today we'll show you how to send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. First, unlock your phone and open Instagram. Tap the messages icon at the bottom middle of the screen. Find the person you want to send the disappearing photo or video to and open their chat. Once the chat is open, tap the camera icon at the bottom left side of the screen. You can take a new photo or video directly from here. If you want to send something from your gallery, tap the gallery icon at the bottom left side. Select the photo or video you want to send. After selecting your photo or video, tap Send at the bottom right side. Instagram will send it as a disappearing photo or video. The recipient can open the disappearing media according to the selected viewing setting. If Instagram notifies you that a screenshot was taken, you'll see the notification in the chat. And that's how you can send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Solution Lab and comment if you want more Instagram tutorials.